We have enormous respect for the innovation and grit in this industry and what people are going through, and that's why we keep on sponsoring, because we like what we see and we learn a lot from what you in the industry are doing. We think Sauvignon Blanc and the wine industry is a great ambassador, a brand ambassador for Brand South Africa. So please keep doing that. On that topic, by the way, on the back of the booklet there's lots of social media links. So please go on Facebook and Instagram and tweet or exit. Maybe Elon Musk will pick it up and retweet it or something. It will be great advertising for South Africa. But the wine industry is also an amazing builder of communities and creating jobs and adding to GDP and to foreign exchange. So well done for that, and that's another reason why we as FNB keep on sponsoring. With all the sales being so great, as a banker, we sit on the other side of the screen and then we see interesting trends. So we're seeing that the wine farmers are actually cash flushed at the moment. You've all repaid your debt. So that's not necessarily a good thing for us, but it is a good thing for you. But what we have picked up is that a lot of the vineyards are getting older. So it's time to replace and make sure that we have new vineyards all the time. And a bit of advertising from the FNB side, we've got a new vineyard replacement loan. So you get a 12-year loan, 4 years interest only, and then you amortize